Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a fast and clever way to draw parking islands for a planimetric survey. Instead of using the polyline tool to trace the island, I'm going to select the arc tool from the mini toolbar, and draw both ends of the island with an arc. Then I'll make sure both ends are selected, and use the to boundary tool to complete the drawing. With the first island drawn, I can duplicate it to any symmetrical island on the site, and even go a step further by copying the island shape to this closely shaped parking peninsula. I can then alter it with the split tool to split the shape in half, and remove the portion I don't need. Then use to boundary to complete the shape. Lastly, I'll show you a drawing method for asymmetrical islands. I'll go about drawing these islands in a very similar fashion. I just need to be more creative about using the arc tool to properly capture these more advanced curves. Then, like before, I'll select all the curves and use to boundary again to complete the shape. I can then duplicate the asymmetrical island to create copies for other islands that are alike. I'll duplicate it using the Move Copy tool, and use the same tool to rotate and move the shape into place. Then simply repeat these methods for all the other parking islands.